What up guys, it's Mandy Natsie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing 5 makeup hacks for you, and I promise you they are easy and so quick. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe, and guys, comment in the section below, in the commenting section below. Tell me what you want to see in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to use my baby powder as setting powder. So necessarily you don't have to use your baking powder, or maybe people call it baking powder, but it's actually setting powder. You just have to put it in small quantities, and you realize that it also does the job same as these products. You see? It doesn't have that white fin unless if you put it in much quantities at the same time. So you have to do like building up small and small quantities. Okay, and the other one is we're going to use blush, but not using blush. So this is something that us as ladies we always use. You can use your any color for especially pink or red eyeshadow as your blush, and it still works. You just have to put it in small quantities and making sure that you are blending everything. And you see, it worked. And the other one is going to be about foundation. So most of the times we always throw away our empty containers of foundation, but it's not actually advisable because you're wasting products. So this is what I discovered me myself, and it really works for me. So when you have like your partially empty foundation, you can put any of your face creams. Some of the people use different things. Me, I use olive oil on my face, so I'll just put the oil inside and then I'll shake it, and then I'll squash it on my hand, and then I'll show you that the foundation is still in, and it still works in the same way because it's just the same as like you are putting on your face cream at the same time with your foundation. And the other hack is my eyelashes. So these eyelashes, I use them over and over again. And you know, when we are putting on our lashes, we use glue, right? And this glue, it always builds out on the eyelashes and becomes so gummy and disgusting and everything. So the better way of removing all those things, you just put them in apple cider vinegar, and then you make it sit for 10 minutes, and after that you can now peel off the glue nicely and it will look clean again, and you can use it again. Now you can see like these lashes, they actually lost their shape because of the glue and all those type of things. If you use the apple cider vinegar, this one I would recommend, or any type of apple cider vinegar, it will work as well. And the other one is liquid liner. When you're using liquid liner, this one is an empty liquid liner container, so you can put any alcohol. For example, I'm going to use this one in small quantities. Just put like 2 or 3 drops, and then you shake it. You shake it, you keep on shaking it. The squash of it, you can see how dark pigmented the eyeliner is. Guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye.